The 2015 Toyota Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, navigation system, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, tow hitch, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, moonroof, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, four-wheel drive, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience, so stop in for a test drive today.